Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 2nd of November, 2023. The Indian benchmark indices erased previous two-session losses and ended higher on November 2nd with the Nifty back above 19,100 comfortably, amid positive cues including no rate hike by the US Fed, falling US bond yield and crude oil prices. At close, the Sensex was up 489.57 points, or 0.77% at 64,080.90, and the Nifty was up 144.10 points, or 0.76% at 19,133.25. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were Britannia Industries, Hindalco Industries, IndusInd Bank, Apollo Hospitals and Eicher Motors, while losers were Hero MotoCorp, Tech Mahindra, Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Finance and ONGC. Talking about the corporate segment, we have REC was trading almost 7% higher at midday on November 2nd, a day after the state-run company reported a good set of numbers for the September quarter of the current financial year. REC, formerly Rural Electrification Corporation, reported a 30.72% year-on-year increase in profit at 3,789.90 rupees crore, the company said in a regulatory filing. Its earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization were at Rs. 12,193.52 crore, up 32.98% from the year-ago period. Net sales of 11,688.24 rupees crore were 17.4% higher than the year-ago quarter. The TRIVENI turbine stock surged 7% in the morning trade after the company reported highest-ever revenue and earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization in the July-September quarter of the current fiscal. The stock of this steam turbine manufacturer has gained 39% this year against a 4% rise in the benchmark Sensex. The scrip, however, is trading 23% below its 52-week high of 456 rupees touched on September 28, 2023. Shares of SYRMA SGS Technology plunged around 11% on November 2nd, after the company reported a sharp margin erosion in quarter 2. The company's EBITDA margin contracted 320 basis points to 6.9% in July-September, sharply down from 10% recorded in the year-ago period. A spike in costs of raw material and finance expenses dragged the company's operational performance. The weak operational performance also weighed on SYRMA's consolidated net profit for the quarter, which remained flattish on year, at 28.30 rupees crore. The firm had reported a consolidated net profit of 28.2 rupees crore in the same quarter of the previous fiscal. Shares of Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation dropped more than 7% in early trade on November 2nd, as the mining and minerals company reported dismal quarter 2 numbers. GMNC, the mining company, recorded profit of 76 rupees crore for the July-September period of financial year 2024, falling sharply by 50% compared to the corresponding period last fiscal, with weakness in operating performance as well as top line. Shares of TYRE jumped more than 9% on November 2nd, after the company grew its quarter 2 consolidated net profit by an impressive 4 times. At 9:20 am, TYRE stock was trading at 341 rupees on NSE. TYRE and Industries reported a massive 372% on-year growth in consolidated profit at 242.1 rupees crore for the July-September period of financial year 2024, driven by strong operating performance and lower input costs. Input cost dropped 9.1% year-on-year to 2,199.4 rupees crore, and purchase of stock in trade declined 75% year-on-year to 43 rupees crore in quarter 2 financial year 2024. Consolidated revenue from operations increased by 3.75% to 3,897.5 rupees crore compared to year-ago period. PTC India Financial Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 31.95 points with a change of 15.55% and is trading with a net volume of around 36.755 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 28.75, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 64.02. Solara Active Pharma Sciences Limited in daily time frame is trading around 342.90 points with a change of 15.13% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.86 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 318.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 55.47. Bliss GVS Pharma Limited in daily time frame is trading around 96.60 points with a change of 15%, and is trading with a net volume of around 9.452 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 86.90, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 66.97. For the stock recommendation we have, Vedanta looks good and can be bought at 229, keeping a stop loss of 223 rupees and a target of 235. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.